In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M31s, and let me show you how to activate and use camera timer on the following device. So at first, just open your camera app, and now go to video mode. Here you've got timer icon, so if you'll click once, you will be able to pick one from the following options. Let me apply 10 seconds delay, and now as you can see the picture will be grabbed after 10 seconds. Obviously you can pick 2 or 5 seconds as well. And then whenever you would like to switch it off, just mark once and select off. And now as you can see the picture is grabbed right after you click. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.